Today, actually, you can make whole film productions and video productions, including hybrid events and conferences, with a smartphone. So I'm going to switch over from my normal camera, which is here. I'm going to switch over now to my iPhone camera. So you can see that the image is slightly different, of course, but that's normal. Every camera has slightly different optics. If I go back to my normal camera, you can see that the background is blurred. So this is something which is not yet really possible on a smartphone camera in a live situation. But when I say not yet, then this will come also very soon, because even on an iPhone 12, for example, you can have applications which are using the LiDAR sensor so that you have a blurred background. So there is a lot of things which are coming up, and I'm pretty sure that in 2 or 3 years, it will be pretty common to have a quality of a DSLR or a mirrorless camera.